everyone. I'm a little late with my video, but I am participating in a challenge hosted by This and That with Denise Jordan, and it is the Moonlight Clean with Me Summer 2019. So the challenge is that you need to clean a room or rooms in your home at night. And I will show you a picture of the moon tonight as well. So behind me is my kitchen, and I have dirty dishes. I have dishes that have dried on the drainer that need to be put up. I have a dishwasher that needs to be unloaded, countertops wiped down, food from dinner that needs to be put up, and I also have a watermelon over here, over there, that I really need to get cut up. I don't know that I'll do that in this video, but let's get started cleaning this kitchen. I wanted to let you know that I will be linking Denise's channel below, as well as the playlist, so you can see how all the other participants clean their home. Leftovers. Ignore my laundry room. That'll be another clean with me. Got to get my charger, guys. Sorry about that. I had to get my charger. Sorry. We'll continue. Okay, you guys, I am going to take you outside, show you the moon. I would like to thank Denise for hosting the challenge today. I will also link her channel below in the description box along with the playlist so you guys can see what all the other participants are cleaning tonight. It's pretty dark out tonight. I see no moon. Nothing. Guys, where is the moon? Okay, I guess there's no moon tonight. But that is just strange because I do see the stars and I'm not really sure what's going on, but maybe we'll try later. But first, I need to get my cleaner and wipe down these counters. Okay, so I'm going to be trying something new tonight, and it is from Grove Collaborative. It's called Counterculture Probiotic Cleaning Tonic. All-purpose non-toxic cleaner, powered by 13 probiotic cultures and essential oils, and the scent is lemongrass. So I believe it's going to smell really good. Oh yes, smells lovely. Okay, get this stuff out of the way. Okay guys, I have the counters wiped down. I've just got to put this stuff back on this counter that I have you sitting on right now, and put the dishes away once they dry on the drainer. Sweep the floor, but I'll do that in a few minutes. So that's the main parts. I just need to clean out the sink a little bit, put the things back on the counter, put those dishes away once they dry. So I hope you enjoyed this clean with me tonight, and let's try for that moon one more time and we'll see what happens. Okay, we're gonna go out the front this time. And I still do not see the moon. Okay guys, so sorry about that. Couldn't find the moon tonight, but we did get the kitchen clean, so that is a plus. I hope you enjoyed the video tonight. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check out the playlist below, as well as Denise Jordan's channel. Oh my gosh, I got a bug in my hair. Oh no. Okay, there's the blooper for the video. Oh gosh, I have to go, guys. Anyway, enjoy the video. Happy cleaning. See you in the next one. Thanks, Denise, for hosting.